Hey YouTube, what's up? Thanks for tuning in. Isn't this cool? I love it. So super cool. The new Turbo Racing Mini in 1276. Awesome! Proportional steering, proportional throttle control, rear wheel drive. I really love it. This is so super cool. But I have to stop now and tell you something about this car. Check it out. Check the length. About 5 centimeters for the Americans. Oh man. 1¾ inch maybe. This is so super cool, this car. Wow. It's tiny. Even on carpet it does already have troubles. Comes in such a nice package, displayed, and that's not good. If companies sell their stuff by Banggood, they shouldn't do this, because they only put the bag around the box and this will arrive damaged normally, but no problem, no damage inside, only the box arrived damaged. Sits like a GoPro. Comes with a manual, a USB-C cable for charging, and a large body clip. What's the bind plug? Here's the USB-C port, and let's switch it off. Here's the on-off switch. Charging works super simple. Simply use a USB-C cable, plug it in, red light, and if the battery is, I hope you can see it on camera, if the battery is full, there will not be any light anymore. This is an awesome tiny car. I really love it. It comes with one of those small Turbo RC radios. You can buy it also without radio, what I would have highly preferred, but the version without radio wasn't available at the time I ordered, and it will work with all the Turbo RC radios. This one is this type of transmitter with the 4 AAAs you get with the small RGT trucks. I highly would have preferred if they would have sent the other version. This version does have knobs here for adjusting trims and dual rate or endpoints, and I hate those transmitters really, because very often you adjust or misadjust those knobs when storaging or transporting the radio, and then if you turn the dual rate for throttle, for example, and switch on a RC car in that position, this will not work. It will be awkward. You have to then adjust it to center again, switch off car, switch off radio of course, and then switch it on again. And those knobs are awful. You do not feel a center really. You can't really see a center because they are tiny. And why do I hate those? Because there's a much better version. Those are also Turbo RC radios, and that's the type of radio that comes with, for example, the Willys Jeep 126, with the Atlas 6x6, with the new Rock Hobby Katana, with the CR24 Hobby Plus, with the Hobby Plus 1 to 18th crawlers, and with all the European versions of those. And you can buy those radios in black, white, blue and yellow as turbo racing, or as hobby porter radios here in Europe, also as Carson and whatever maybe. And those are more or less the same radios, same type, but 3-channel radios, all of them are, but there are no knobs. There are buttons, and if you want to adjust dual rate or endpoint, you have to turn the steering wheel or throttle to the endpoints and then adjust with the trim buttons. So that's much better in my eyes, because you will not turn those stupid knobs. If you would feel a center position, it wouldn't be that bad. However, both of those radios work fine. Both are 3 channels. Both work with all the models, RGT, Hobby Plus, Raw Copy, that come with those radios. They also work with the 4-channel receiver you can buy. If the small turbo racing 1-76 cars will finally be available in the version without radio, without transmitter, I will for sure buy those and use some of those radios. I have quite a ton of those meanwhile, and you can buy them for less than 20 bucks in different colors too. Of course it comes with a manual, but there's not a lot to say. Only binding needs maybe to be explained, therefore you will use this body clip. Manual in English, English and Chinese. Still not fully charged. I don't know how long battery will last. Didn't try it so far. What you get are 2 more bodies for the Mini to paint them yourself. Is this cool? And I'm really totally excited. I love it, and I do already know some Christmas presents now I will buy. I will buy this car for several persons, because I think it's awesome. And it's also not expensive. So come on. It's not super fast, it's no racer. That's high speed, it's absolutely, that's but scale speed. And it's perfect for playing on the table. Did I already tell you I love it? I don't know what more to say. Awesome, awesome, awesome. If you have more, to make it a racetrack on the table or whatever. And it works awesome. It's really fantastic. And that's the scale, yeah. That's the 1-6 scale, one of the drivers of my Willys Jeep. RC car for him. How cool is this? It's about 1/12 scale for the 1/6 scale per figure. So absolutely awesome. You did see the video in the beginning. And did I already tell you, I really love this car. I don't know its name. I know that's a Mini, but the name of the car is Turbo Racing. Dealer Shenzhen Hobby Porter. Yes, we know. 1-76 remote control car without a name. I love this car without the name. And really awesome. proportional steering. That's full speed. So let's stop this. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Thanks for watching this video. It's only rear wheel driven. So thanks for watching this video, guys. See you in the next video. Hopefully soon I'll be back. Stop!